How to save music from YouTube to your files. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to save music from YouTube into your files. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, you just need to simply head over to your YouTube directly. And once you are logged into your account, you'll be finding this interface on your screen. So the next step you need to go is directly head over to your profile and go to the YouTube Studio. Open up your YouTube Studio, and once YouTube Studio interface appears on your screen, on your left side of the screen, head over and look for Audio Library, which is under Customization. Just go ahead and select it. Once selected, you'll be finding all of the music available for free, which can be downloaded. So if you're looking on how to download those music onto your files, you can find different categories as well. If you want to download any of the category music, for example, any of them, and if you want to download it, you can find these options. So beside every music, you will be finding a start option that will help you keep it started, so that you will be finding what kind of music that you want to save. Once you've found it, the next thing you can apply is directly head over to the download section, this one right here, and it will automatically be downloaded to your files. Otherwise, you can also directly download it from the music section as well, and click on download, and it should download it on your files again. So therefore, you can also follow up the same process in order to download music into your files by following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.